Lockdown. Hi guys, well today I'm fitting a battery monitor to the Gull wing. It's pretty straightforward. This is the item that's being fitted, and it's going into the Gull wing, which is going to fit it there. I've made a bracket, so I don't know if you can see that or not, but the bracket will fit there, like so. The battery monitor in there and wired through to the rear battery. So, let's get going. Right, so this is the battery monitor. It's I think it's a copy of the Victron battery monitor. It's a cheaper version. The Victron one was about 130 quid. This was, I think, 25 quid from Amazon. Now, it does all the same gear. It's got the battery voltage, amp hours, so it knows how much you're actually draining from the battery at any one time. Percent battery. It also has capability to show how much is going in to the battery. So if you've got solar or you want a split charge, it'll show you how much is going in. Yeah, it seems to be a pretty good thing. There's quite a few videos of these on YouTube of fitted and tests, so if you want to go and see a review of one, I've done that, that's why I bought this. So yeah, there's plenty out there. It doesn't come with any instructions, unfortunately, so you've got to Google that to get the wiring diagrams and stuff, but it's pretty straightforward. You've got a shunt, which shows you, which goes in line in the negative, and yeah, we'll get it fitted, see how we go. So yeah, the shunt is fitted above the battery. I'll put a wiring diagram of that in the on the end, but this is it. Fitted quite well. Got voltage, amp hours. So at the moment the light's on, but if I turn the light off, see, it drops and reads point nothing. So it's fitted. Works quite well. At the moment it's showing battery voltage, and that little arrow there with a minus on it, that's telling you that it's draining. So if I start up now with the split charge system, that would go to a plus, obviously with charge voltage. You've also got amp hours. So at the moment it's draining 0.820 amp hours, and if I am to turn the light off from under the Gull wing, you see it goes to next to nothing. There you go, back on, there we go. Also if I turn the tap on, there we go, 1.2 amps drain. That's also the thing for if it's on charge, it will show the percentage of amp hours going in. We've also got a percentage, 0.3 discharge. Not sure if that's amp hours or whatever, but I'll have to research that, I think. But yeah, it's quite well. It's got a backlight, which obviously when it's not, there's no drain or there's nothing use, turns off and it just goes to a static situation, I think. So yeah, there's no drain on the battery whatsoever in that state, but when there's anything happening, it comes on and there you go, it springs into life. Yeah, and it was 25 quid compared to the Victron equivalent, which is 130. So yeah, happy with that.
Game over.